Hey guys, are you want to buy best wireless CarPlay adapter? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best wireless CarPlay adapter that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vnilrgle Wireless CarPlay Adapter. 2024 Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a game changer for anyone tired of cables in the car with true plug-and-play functionality. Installation takes just seconds, no technical setup needed. Simply plug it in and instantly convert your factory-wired CarPlay to a fully wireless system. What sets this adapter apart is its zero-lag performance. Thanks to advanced dual-band connectivity, 2.4 GHz Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the connection remains fast and stable. Whether you're navigating, making calls, or streaming music, the experience is seamless and responsive, compatible with iPhone 6 and newer models. And vehicles from 2015 onward, this upgrade works across a wide range of cars and user needs. By eliminating cable clutter, it enhances both convenience and safety, allowing you to stay focused on the road while enjoying full CarPlay functionality. For a smoother, smarter driving experience, this wireless adapter is a worthwhile and easy upgrade now. Our second product is Kukiho Wireless CarPlay Adapter, the 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a fantastic upgrade for any driver looking to modernize their in-car experience. Seamlessly converting both wired CarPlay and Android Auto to wireless, it eliminates messy cables while supporting navigation, music, voice commands, calls, and more, perfect for a cleaner, safer, and more enjoyable drive. Setup is effortless. Just plug it in and pair your phone in 3 quick steps. Once connected, the adapter auto reconnects every time you start the car, even if your phone is tucked away in a pocket or bag. Its wide compatibility supports iPhones from iPhone 6, iOS 10, and Android 11 devices. And it includes both USB and USB-C connectors for maximum flexibility. Built with an upgraded chip and signal filtering tech, it ensures a fast, stable connection. With no lag, the sleek zinc alloy design looks great and resists heat and interference. With lifetime technical support and firmware updates, it's a smart, future-ready choice for wireless driving. Our third product is Wireless CarScreen Adapter. This wireless CarPlay adapter is a game changer for iPhone users iOS 10 Plus seeking a cleaner, cable-free driving experience. Designed exclusively for Apple devices, it offers seamless, fast connectivity with a simple plug-and-play setup. No apps or complex installation required. Compatible with over 800 CarPlay-enabled models. It comes with a USB-AA to USB-C adapter for maximum port flexibility. Even older vehicles can enjoy a modern upgrade to wireless CarPlay, bringing fresh functionality to your dashboard. Powered by the advanced A7S chip, the adapter ensures smooth, stable, and secure wireless transmission, with multiple safety protections built in. Constructed with premium materials, it's built for daily use and long-term durability. Compact and portable, it's easy to carry between vehicles. A built-in 5 volts current and short-circuit protection keep your car system safe. Just ensure your car supports wireless CarPlay before purchasing. Overall, it's an excellent solution for enhancing your driving experience without clutter or compromise. Now, number 4. Mixtec Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This mini Apple CarPlay wireless adapter is a must-have upgrade for any driver with a wired CarPlay system. Setup is incredibly simple. Just plug it into your car's USB or Type-C port, and your iPhone connects wirelessly in under 10 seconds. No apps or extra steps needed. With dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz and advanced HDI PCB technology, it delivers a stable, high-speed connection and virtually zero latency. all factory controls, touchscreen, steering wheel buttons, and voice commands remain fully functional, making it a seamless and non-invasive upgrade. The adapter supports Siri voice control for safe, hands-free interaction and offers high-fidelity audio for crisp music and call quality. It mirrors all your essential apps: Maps, Spotify, WhatsApp, and more on your car screen with smooth full-screen support. Compact, powerful, and reliable, this wireless CarPlay adapter transforms your driving experience, combining modern convenience with OEM-level integration. Perfect for iPhone users who value safety, functionality, and ease. And our last choice is Vnilrgle Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The compact and slim wireless CarPlay adapter is a sleek and powerful upgrade for any vehicle with factory-wired CarPlay. Its plug-and-play setup takes just seconds, no apps or drivers needed, and it reconnects automatically every time, even if your phone is tucked away. Equipped with an advanced A7S chipset, Bluetooth 5.3, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, it ensures a fast, stable, and zero-latency connection. The 8-core processor enables smooth navigation, music, calls, messaging, and full app support, all while retaining your car's original controls and audio quality. Built with a durable, lightweight aluminum alloy shell, it offers excellent heat dissipation and has been tested for over 10,000 plugins, ensuring long-term reliability. Its ultra-mini design blends into any interior and keeps your dashboard clutter-free, compatible with most OEM wired CarPlay systems. It even includes a USB-A to USB-C adapter for broader versatility. This wireless CarPlay adapter is an excellent investment for safer, cleaner, smarter driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.